Hello class 2, this is your English literature class children. So today we will do the revision of page number 22 of your book. So open your book at page number 2 to 22. Okay, we'll do the grammar part of this. So this is page number 22 of your book. So I hope you will take out your book that is New Mulberry Part 2 and open your book at page number 22. Right? So take a pencil in your hand. Now here what we'll do is we will see how and where to add s or es when we change a thing from one to many. Okay, so we can change the thing, we can count from one to many. Suppose this is a pencil. What is this? You can see a pencil in my hand, isn't it? And we can, this is a pen, whatever. So we can count. We can count a pen or we can count a pencil. So these are known as countable nouns, isn't it? See, things that we can count can be one or many. Suppose this is a notebook. This is a notebook. This is a pen. Then this is a book. So all this thing we can count, isn't it? Things that we can count can be one or it can be many. So we can change the thing we can count from one to many. In the book, the example given is, see, you can see in the right hand side, you can see the picture of bus. Here we can see 3 buses, isn't it, of 3 different color. Now what we have to do is we have to change this thing from one to many. Suppose when there is only one bus, we will say bus. And when there is more than one bus also we can count, isn't it? So bus is a countable noun. So when there is more than one bus, what we'll say? Buses. So how we'll make many from one? By adding simply s. B-U-S, bus. Then we are saying here B-U-S-E-S. See, bus, B-U-S, bus ends with the letter S, isn't it? So we are adding here E-S. So the noun that ends with S will take E-S with it to take the plural form of it. Okay. Now see dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-G, dog, isn't it? So when we talk about more than one dog, then we'll say dogs. It may be 2 dogs, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite, isn't it? So we will say dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs. So what we have done, we have add s to, but what we do generally with most of the word, to change them from one to many, we add s. Simply we add s, like boy. Okay, B-O-Y, boy. When there is only one boy, I will say I saw a boy. And when there boys are more than one in number, then I'll say I have seen many boys. So what will be the spelling then? B-O-Y-S. Here I have added s. So most of the words takes s with them to change them from one to many. Like in the beginning I have given you the example pen. So this is one pen. When I'll talk about more than one, then I'll say pens. What will be the spelling then? P-E-N, pen. Then I will add simply s with it. Then P-E-N-S, pens. Done? Now one more example that I gave you is notebook, isn't it? Notebook will become notebooks. So book, books, B-O-O-K, book, isn't it? The last letter is K. then we'll simply add s with it. Done? Here more examples are given, like tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Tree will become trees, T-R-E-E-S. Okay, and we usually add es to words that ends with s, sh, x or ch to change them from one to many. And the other rule is, the first rule is, with most of the words we add simply s to change the word from one to many. But the word that ends with, the noun that ends with s, sh, x or ch, to change them from one to many, we add es with the main word. Okay, like suppose box, B-O-X, box. So what is the last letter? X. So we know that if a word ends with X, to make it plural, to change it from one to many, what we do? We will add es. Then what will be the plural of box? Boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Done? Now take a word that ends with sh. sh. Now see bush. B-U-S-H. Bush. Okay. Now to change it to many, what we will do? B-U-S-H. As the word ends with sh, we know that that rule is we have to add es to it. Okay. Then bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Done. Now we'll take one more example. See dress, D-R-E-S-S. Here the word ends with s itself, isn't it? D-R-E-S-S. So what we'll do? D-R-E-S-S, then es again. Dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Dresses. Now take a word that ends with ch. ch. And we know that a word that ends with ch takes es with it to change it from one to many. Now peach, P-E-A-C-H, peach. Peach will become peaches. See, P-E-A-C-H-E-S, peaches. Okay, so you'll get so many examples. Now in this book, and in detail we will do in the language class, because this is literature, so I'll give you a general view of this. In the language class you'll get many more examples. Okay, so you'll get so many words, okay, to change them from, and how to change them, but this is the rule that you have to follow. Okay, like the word that ends with s, sh, x or ch, to change them from one to many, we add es, and we add s to most of the word to change it from one to many, like boy, boys, girl, girls, table, tables, chair, chairs, book, books, bottle, bottles, isn't it? In this way, you take the example of a word that ends with x, like box, box, boxes, fox, foxes, isn't it? F-O-X, fox. Then foxes. This way you'll find many words. Then peach, peaches. Like branch. If I give you one more example, branch, B-R-A-N-C-H. So branch ends with the letter CH. So to make it many from one, we'll add es to it. Then it will become branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Okay, I think it is clear. So go through this and prepare yourself for the exam. Thank you.